Good morning everyone. You all are welcome in your online English class. Let's start our today's class. Today we are going to do exercise number 7.4 and this exercise is relating to the possessive pronouns. As class we have read that possessive pronouns, they relate to first person, second person and third person in the form of I for mine, you, yours, he, his, she, hers, it, its, and we, ours, you, yours, and they, theirs. We know that these are possessive cases. So let's go for the exercise. Here we are having the first example that is done for us. That car belongs to me. That car is mine. Here me stands for I and it will follow the possessive pronoun case in the form of mine. That car is mine. वह कार मेरी है. That photograph belongs to them. Now that photograph is, now we are having them, so we will go with that photograph is theirs. You will apply the possessive case of they, theirs. That photograph belongs to them. That photograph is theirs. Next is that bracelet belongs to me. That bracelet is mine. Of course, me will go with mine. I, me, mine. That suitcase belongs to us. That suitcase is, this suitcase belongs to us. This suitcase is ours. S will be applied at the end. These football boots belongs to him. These football boots are his. Him will go for his. Next is this computer game belongs to me and my brother. This computer game is ours. Now we are talking about me and my brother. So plural cases here we will go with ours. That motorbike belongs to that man. That motorbike is his. We are talking about that man, singular cases here, and that man means he. So we will go with possessive pronoun his. These books belong to those students. These books are theirs. Those students means they, them, theirs. This iPod belongs to you. This iPod is yours. You will go for yours. This camera belongs to my aunt. This camera is hers. Here we are having feminine gender, my aunt, so she, her, hers. This ball belongs to those boys. This ball is theirs. Next is this scarf belongs to my aunt Tina. This scarf is hers. Here aunt Tina will go with she, her, hers. Now it's turn of exercise number 7.5. In this exercise, put A in the box if the italicized word is an adjective or P if it is a pronoun case. Now you have to select which case these sentences belong to. So let us start. At very first place we are having, this is a very beautiful picture. Now class, you see that this is here we are using for the noun picture. So it will go with the pronoun case. We will write here, we will mention here P. In the box you can mention this is a very beautiful picture. Now this word is relating to the pronoun to the noun picture. So it will go with the pronoun case because noun is a word that is used at the place of a pronoun. This picture is very beautiful. Now class, we are seeing that the same sentence is here but the structure is changed. Now this picture, yeh picture. Now we are indicating this noun and you know that before noun adjective is applied. Here noun is given and before noun if the adjective is applied it will go with the adjective case. So this picture is very beautiful. यह picture बहुत सुंदर है. Now at number 3, that woman is the friend of my mother. That woman. Now again we are having noun here and before noun adjective is applied. That woman. वह woman जो है मेरी mother की friend है. That woman. वह woman. So it is again adjective case is applied here. दोज आर डिलीशियस मैंगोज, वो बहुत डिलीशियस मैंगोज हैं, कौन से, दोज. सो दोज इज इंडिकेटिंग हेयर द नाउन केस and that is mangoes. So those is working as a pronoun here. Those is working as a pronoun in this case. This is a precious gift. Again, कौन सा precious gift है, this is indicating, it is presenting the noun gift. So it is using for the noun and it will work as a pronoun. I hope you are understanding. At number 6, this case is difficult to solve. Now कौन सा case, this case, यह case. So case is a noun here and this is applied before noun, so it will work as an adjective. These children can't swim. These children, again we are referring to the noun, so these is working as an adjective here. We know that this, that, these and these are demonstrative cases and the 4 of them are working as pronouns as well as adjectives, but we have to choose that whether they are working as an adjective or as an pronoun. Similarly, in next case, those are good swimmers. Those are good swimmers. अब now those, कौन, वो बहुत अच्छे swimmers हैं, बहुत अच्छे तैराक हैं, कौन, those. So those is again referring here to the noun swimmers, so it will working as a pronoun. This is not a very big issue. This is not a very big issue. यह कोई एक बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. So this is again, it is presenting the noun, that is issue. Here it is working as a pronoun, as the case of a pronoun. Those hills look beautiful in setting sun. Now class, you are again seeing that hills is given here and it is a noun, and so we are seeing that those will work as an adjective in this case. Those hills, वो पहाड़ियाँ, look beautiful in setting sun, जब सूरज डूबता है तो बहुत सुंदर लगती हैं. Those hills, okay, so it will work as an adjective here. Those is an adjective, demonstrative adjective here. Now class, let us go for the exercise number 7.6. Join the given sentences using relative pronoun. Now here first example is done for us. Here is my aunt, she is a lecturer in a college. Now in order to join the two sentences by using the relative pronoun, we will convert it like this. Here is my aunt who is a lecturer in a college. यह मेरी aunt है जो कि कॉलेज में लेक्चरर है. Now we know that for a person we go with the relative pronoun who. In the second sentence we are having tsunamis are big waves. Tsunamis can cause a lot of damage. Now tsunamis are big waves that, at the place of tsunamis you will cut it here. Later on you can write here the whole sentence, that can cause a lot of damage. At number 3 we are having The Adventure of Tom Sawyer was written by Mark Twain. It is one of my favorite book. Now class, as I have told you that in relative pronouns we combine both the sentences by using relative pronouns, and relative pronouns are who, that, whose, whom, which, etc. So let us combine it. The Adventure of Tom Sawyer, which, now for non-living things we know that we go with which or that. Which is one of my favorite books, was written by Mark Twain. Now you will combine the sentences to make a complete sentence, and by making use of relative pronoun as well. My brother has broken his arm. He studies in second standard. My brother, मेरा भाई, कौन सा भाई? He studies in second standard, जो second standard में पढ़ता है. Who studies in second standard? Now here you are giving additional information about your brother. So you are relating, my brother who studies in second standard has broken his arm. मेरा भाई, कौन सा भाई? जो second standard में पढ़ता है उसकी बाजू टूट गई है. Sonu took the metro to Karol Bagh. He was in a hurry. Now Sonu who was in a hurry. सोनू जो जल्दी में था. took the metro to Karol Bagh. उसने करोल बाग तक मेट्रो ली थी. सोनू who was in hurry. Again we are giving additional information about Sonu and we are combining both the sentences. Who was in hurry. At number 6, Hotel My India serves delicious Indian food. It is my friends. Hotel My India. अब क्या है उसकी? That serves delicious Indian food is of my friend. At number 7 class we are having, I am going with Varun. His car runs faster than mine. I am going with Varun. Whose car? जिसकी कार. Whose car runs faster than mine? जिसकी कार मुझसे ज़्यादा तेज दौड़ती है. At number 8, the Harry Potter books are very popular. They are written by I.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling. The Harry Potter books which are written by J.K. Rowling. Now books non-living, for that we go with which relative pronoun. Which are written by J.K. Rowling are very popular. Sheila has a dog. Its name is Lucky. Sheila has a dog whose name is Lucky. जिसका नाम Lucky है. My cousin lives in Delhi. He is coming tomorrow. My cousin who lives in Delhi, जो दिल्ली में रहता है, you have to apply relative pronoun, is coming tomorrow. वो कल आ रहा है. So class, this is your exercise number 7.6. Let's do our exercise number 7.7. Rewrite these sentences using without using relative pronoun. Now you don't need to make use of relative pronoun and you have to write them in a simple form. First example, mangoes that are grown near Saharanpur are very sweet. Now that are grown. Mangoes grown near Saharanpur are very sweet. Simple. Children who are studying at the back can take their seats now. Now we see class, children. Now you will omit these relative pronoun. Children standing at the back can take their seats now. वो बच्चे जो पीछे खड़े हैं अब अपनी सीट्स ले सकते हैं. Okay, you will omit it. Later on you can write it here in the given space. The company for which here applied my mother works makes inverters. Now you will convert it in like this structure. My mother's company, the company my mother works, my mother's company makes inverters. Okay, next is, this is the book about which I was talking yesterday. This is the book about which you will omit these words indicating relative pronoun. This is the book I was talking yesterday. Next is, I like the mango pickle that my grandmother makes. I like the mango pickle now made by my grandmother. You will also remove this makes, that and makes. Next is, the teacher who teaches us science got married last week. Now again you will convert it into simple one. Our science teacher got married kab? Last week. Last week will be applied here. So this was your exercise number 7.7. I hope classes, these exercises are quite clear to you. Keep on learning students. Thanks to all. Good.